Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to type degrees Celsius in laptop step by step. Start by picking the location where you need the degrees C symbol and follow each quick method I demonstrate. I will walk you through keyboard shortcuts, alt code entries, the character map, and easy copy-paste options. I keep explanations simple and clear so you can type degrees C confidently in emails, documents, or chat without hunting through menus. In this section, you will see stepwise Windows methods that are fast and reliable. I explain alt codes with the numeric keypad and show how to enable numlock for consistency. Next, we open the character map to copy the symbol when numeric keys are unavailable, and I demonstrate a simple auto hotkey script for a persistent shortcut. These options let you type degrees C in any Windows app without memorizing odd menu paths. Here I walk through Mac and web-friendly ways to type degrees C so you never get stuck. On a Mac, press Shift-Option-8 to insert the degree symbol instantly, and use the emoji and symbols viewer to find it visually. For web pages and HTML editors, copy the symbol or use the entity and #176, followed by C. These tips ensure you can type the degree Celsius sign in browsers, editors, and online forms smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.